Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platform in the world, but then there is the Shopify Plus, the premium version that costs way more. And the big question is, in this time, when should you stick with the normal Shopify and when should you actually upgrade to Shopify Plus? That's what we are going to figure out in this video. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we break down software and tools so you can make the best decision for your business. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the link in the description for free trial and the exclusive deals. Now let's get started. First, let's look at the standard Shopify. It is the platform most people know. You get all the basics like more setup, theme, product management, checkout, and payment processing. Plans start from just a few dozen dollars for a month, and even the advanced plan is under the $400. For small businesses and even medium one, Shopify has everything you need to build your business and run a successful store. You can sell unlimited product, connect your app from the Shopify App Store, and accept payment from around the world. For most people, this is more than enough. So then, what's the deal with Shopify Plus? Why does it cost over $2,000 for a month? Well, Shopify Plus is designed for big businesses, brand, and enterprise that need more control, more flexibility, and more support. The biggest difference is the customization. With Shopify Plus, you can fully customize your checkout process. That means you can change the look, you can change the flow, and add a special upsell during the checkout. On a standard Shopify, checkout is pretty locked down and you cannot do much about it. But with Shopify Plus, you can design the entire experience to match your brand and maximize the conversions. Another major upgrade is the scalability. Shopify Plus can handle thousands of transactions per minute without breaking a sweat. Just think about the Black Friday or the Cyber Monday. If you are a large brand running huge campaign, you need that kind of performance. Standard Shopify is strong, but Plus gives you the guarantee and the stability in scale. Now, support is also a big difference. On normal Shopify, which is the standard one, you get the customer support, but on Shopify Plus, you get a dedicated account manager, priority support, and even you can get the help from Shopify launch engineers to migrate or optimize your store. For a large company, that kind of support can save a lot of headache. But let's be real, Shopify Plus is not for everyone. If you are a small or even medium-sized store doing a few $1000s in sales per month, you don't need it. It's just too expensive. And Shopify Plus only makes sense if you are running a high-value store and managing multiple regions, or if you need very specific checkout control. Otherwise, you will be paying for power you don't actually use. So here is the final verdict. If you're just starting out or even running a stable business that's growing, stick with the normal Shopify. And it's affordable, reliable, and has everything you need. But if you are scaling to enterprise level, running big campaign, or need full control of checkout and the priority support, then upgrading to Shopify Plus makes perfect sense. On the other hand, Shopify is the perfect car for everyday driving, but Shopify Plus is the Formula One car for brands that need the extreme speed and the customization. If you would like to test Shopify or learn more about Shopify Plus, I have left the link in the description and the pinned comment. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video helped you. If this did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.